Good morning. Good morning. This is Monday Morning Mindset. This is Monday Fun Day. And this is Monday Morning Mindset. And what is mindset and why does it matter? So, mindset is a combination of your thoughts and your feelings that affect your attitude, that affect your actions, that affect every single thing that happens to you in your life. And so, mindset is critically important. And Monday is my reset day, and today our oil is the oil of Envision. And as you can perhaps see, I'm still in my Klondike office, and I do not have the oil of Envision with me. We plan to be here for 4 days, and we've now been here for, I think, 11 days. And so I do not have the oil with me. However, what does the oil of Envision do? I'm going to be using it as soon as I get back home, which we're actually leaving today. And so the oil of Envision helps you to eliminate the feelings of feeling confined and overwhelmed and replace them with the feelings of freedom and focus and the energy of your vision. And so envision that energy. And so we've been in this situation where, we're in this little cabin that has no electricity, no water, and it's just the bare basics. It's probably 100 years old, very quaint, very eclectic, just a really cool experience. And yet everything is different. So it would be really easy to feel confined. There's, nowhere to go. And there's not much to do. And easy to feel confined and overwhelmed, making a meal with nothing that's normal. It's been a wonderful experience. And so beautiful, this oil of how the lesson has been for me, and how do I focus on still the purpose, still the thing that I want, still when everything has been changed, everything is different, nothing turned out the way that we originally thought or planned. And so how do you hold that vision? So the oil of Envision to help, instead of feeling confined and overwhelmed, to feel the energy still of the vision, to feel freedom in the situation that could be feeling confining and overwhelmed. So I have this beautiful little poem actually that I want to read to you. It's called Bound and Free, which is interesting. Even the title, it was by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. Come to me, my love, come on the wings of the wind. Fly as the ring-dove would fly to his mate. Leave all your cares and your sorrows behind. Leave all your fears and your future to fate. Come, and our skies shall be glad with gold that paled into gray when they parted from me. Come and remember, just as of old, you must be bound, love, and I must be free. Life has lost savor since you and I parted. I have been lonely and you have been sad. Youth is too brief to be sorrowful hearted. Come, and again let us laugh and be glad. Lips should not sigh that are fashioned to kiss. Breast should not ache that joy's secret have found. Come and remember, in spite of all this, I must be free, love, and you must be bound. You must be bound to be true while you live, and I keep my freedom forever as now. You must ask only for that which I give, kisses and love words, and never leave a vow. Come, I am lonely and long for your smile. Bring back the lost lovely summer to me. Come, but remember the while that you must be bound, love, and I must be free. This was a beautiful reflection for me this last week, and as I go forward into this week, because what am I bound to? What are you bound to? Are you bound to what's true to yourself, to being true to your goals, true to the vision that you desire to create for yourself? And in that, if you are, you're free. Or are you bound to the opinions of others and to the rules and regulations of society and to the expectations of those around you? Because then you will feel confined and overwhelmed. Use your Envision to release yourself and be bound and true to the things that are true to your own heart so that you can live in the freedom of your vision. Use this oil all week long, and I so look forward to hearing some of your comments and using this oil. Have an absolutely amazing day. Have an amazing week. Use your oil all week, and bye for now.